The 21st observance of Vaccination Week of the Americas 2023 is being observed amid growing vaccine hesitancy in St. Lucia and the region. This growing tendency is threatening the gains made in the elimination of some debilitating and deadly diseases in the region and puts societies at risk for the reappearance of these diseases.
The region of the Americas has noted a decline in the vaccination coverage of polio, diphtheria, measles, and rubella, having moved from first place to second to last. This places the region at risk for the re-emergence of vaccine-preventable diseases and threatens the Caribbean region's certification of measles and polio elimination. St. Lucia's program, likewise, has seen a decline in the overall coverage.
The Minister for Health, Moses Jabatis, called upon St. Lucians to guard against being swayed by misinformation. He says the gains made by vaccinations in saving lives and avoiding serious illnesses are indisputable.
The call for action reminds all that vaccination has proven to be one of the most cost-effective public health interventions. Let us protect ourselves, our families, and our loved ones. Vaccines are safe, effective, and the best protection against many serious diseases. Let us make informed choices. Let us choose to protect our country. We know that during the COVID-19 pandemic, and even up to now, we have several campaigns against vaccination. And we know how difficult it was, or it has been still, for a number of St. Lucians to accept that COVID-19, the vaccine for COVID-19 is effective. So we still have a lot of misinformation, not only about the COVID-19 vaccine, but other vaccines.
There's a significant decline in the number of people of all ages being vaccinated. In some cases, children are being vaccinated late, exposing them to some vaccine-preventable diseases. The National Immunization Manager, Tekla Jabatis, says action must be taken now to counteract vaccine skepticism and hesitancy.
We need to work with our partners to get back on track to ensure more people, particularly children, are protected from preventable diseases. Our population must be protected from the ever-present reality of a potential outbreak of vaccine-preventable diseases. It is important to note that though a disease has been declared eliminated in a population, it does not mean that it no longer exists. It simply means that it does not circulate in a specific area. Imported cases always remain a potential threat.
The Americas, until recently, had the highest vaccination rates in the world. Today, it is second from last, exposing St. Lucia and the region to the possibility of the resurgence of diseases not seen for generations. The Ministry of Health plans to use Vaccination Week of the Americas to reach out to communities to encourage St. Lucians to get vaccinated. Stanley Lucian for the HTS News Force.